In the all-new Ford Ranger, we have three main elements in the engine compartment which give us 800 millimeters of wading depth. The first being the breather pipes for three different components on the powertrain system. There's a high-mounted electronic system on that side for the alternator, and thirdly the air intake system.
We have the actual air intake mounted high up in the fender here to protect it from any water that might rush over the bonnet and spill down the side. If any water does get into the intake system, it will be captured, and we've got a one-way valve letting the water out but not letting any water in.
What we're indicating here is the water wading depth as advertised by two competitors, being at 500 millimeters. Second one at 700 millimeters, and then the new Ranger at 800 millimeters.